Welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is dinner consisting of chicken we raised here on the homestead and butchered, carrots from the garden, homemade gravy, mixed vegetables, and rice with turmeric and various herbs and spices. We ended up with leftover rice, mixed vegetables, and a little bit of chicken that was not quite enough to serve as a side by itself. So I decided to turn it into a breakfast. If you look at just about any dine-in or takeout American restaurant menu, you will see pancakes, French toast, grits, hash brown, biscuits, with a very small portion of some sort of breakfast meat. A menu full of carbs with little or no vegetables. And if you want veggies to go with your breakfast, you have to pay extra for a side of spinach, broccoli, string beans, and so forth. That is, if they even have any vegetables available during breakfast hours. I try to incorporate veggies in all of our meals. This is a very simple breakfast and easy to make. I added 4 eggs to the already seasoned rice and veggies, then mixed well. I added a little salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder to season the eggs. With everything mixed in, it is now time to cook it up. A little oil, olive oil, is added to the pan. Then I pour in the mixture. This is the cast iron pan featured in the Easy Guide on Seasoning, Restoring, and Cleaning Cast Iron video. As you can see, the food is not sticking to the frying pan. If you're interested in acquiring cast iron, but it's out of your budget to buy brand new, consider picking up a rusty cast iron deep skillet or pan or whatever you need for a little bit of money and restore it yourself. You can partially see a stainless steel on the back eye. It is warming up the leftover gravy, which will go on top of the breakfast rice mixture. There does not seem to be a cap on how high food prices will rise. So for those of you who are not used to incorporating leftovers into your meals, now might be a good time to learn. Also, check out my video on how to make chicken patties out of leftover chicken. So now I plate the food, pour the gravy on top, and serve. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to help this channel to grow.